Simultaneous points for lemons. If you have a lemon in your fridge, I am gonna give you extra points. I'd be sucking down some lemons like it's my job. What are we thinking? It's the middle of the road. I think this is a good, you know what? 6.5. I'm going to assume, right? Peep this, chat. I am going to assume that there is macaroni and cheese in this pan. Because usually when somebody puts the pans with the handle, with tin foil covering the pan in the fridge, it's usually mac and cheese. Bro's just a jelly general. Look at all this jelly. Bro's the pepperoni paparazzi. Look how disgusting your fridge is. Look at your floor. Ah!